It's really good. It doesn't even taste like coconut. It's like very... It's like coconut, but it tastes like berry. Watch you hate it. I'm gonna laugh so hard. It's actually good. Oh, yes.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going hiking. We're gonna go up this Pincushion Mountain. So this is gonna be lit. We're gonna take you guys along. Guys, if you want to date Joe, he is single.
He is single and he's ready to mingle. And we need a mom of the group.
Also, Jenny needs more TikTok followers, guys.
Yeah, I need more TikTok followers. So please follow her. Give Jenna the hype.
Also follow them.
Yeah.
I'll put the link in the bio. Everyone go follow them.
Let's follow everyone. Somebody unlock this phone. 3, 2, 6, 4. Hold up. 3, 2, 6, 4. Yeah. 5, 9.
So guys, that's our password to all of our accounts. There it is.
That was the one I see.
Show yourself. Tell me what you need.
Guys, 1 million, let's go!
He's driving so fast, I'm trying to keep up with him, but I want to go!
I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got to live my life and they all mine. I got a pocket full of sunshine. Look at all these diamonds on my necklace, they all shine.
Hey guys, look at this lake. Fresno isn't as ugly as you think. It's a good lake. Hey, Janine, pose.
Get Bethany in the back
Oh, the lake went away, but that's okay. Oh wait, there's more. Hold up. Pose, Janine.
Facing the group. Wow.
Vibes. Shoulder work.
I hope my shoulder works.
Oh. Uh-oh. Hello, sir.
We'll pick them up.
Wear my jacket or no?
I gotta throw this
Actually, I don't think I need to be honest.
Is it gonna be cold though?
It doesn't really feel
What if it
cold.
gets? What if it feel cold?
I'm a big girl. I can handle it. Next time.
Bethany,
Y'all know the filmer?
Caleb, yep, Keegan.
Guys,
Oh,
see what's up to my
JD.
hand. Caleb already did his.
He's like,
Andrew,
Andrew.
you've never been in mine, have you?
Jenna.
you got a professional
It's a Keegan's
microphone and
vlog.
everything?
We got Taco Truck
And me.
Squad.
She's like, can I just get it with like letters?
First stretch of the hike, we are just walking, and I'm already
Tired.
tired. But it's okay. We're surviving. Because I know how to.
You missed their cute handhold moment.
Oh, wait, do it again. Wait, how do you zoom in?
You twist the lens.
Okay, shut up.
We're 5 minutes into the hike. How are you guys feeling?
Hey, so tired.
5 out of what?
In a wet like.
Should I play that song?
And it went like.
We made it.
Like, oh no. Can y'all see the drones? Like, I'm scared. I can't see this far! Oh, it's it! Fly, little birdie!
Move, bro. Move. Oh my goodness. But we are now making a TikTok.
Savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage, yeah.
Just had 100K on TikTok.
Oh, wouldn't that be?
Dude, that's crazy.
No, it'd be,
That is crazy.
20,000?
What?
it'd be 100.2, 100.
It's 100,200, yeah. Yeah, 100,200.
100.2, is that 120? How does it? Everyone smile. Can I once say congratulations, Caleb hit 100K.
Yeah.
Woo! Caleb, can I borrow your sunglasses? Pictures. They make me look like the black mouse from Shrek.
That's the only song.
I really like this flute. Oh.
We watched a movie.
After 9.
Taco.
Thank you.
Taco.
You didn't die.
Didn't happen.
Oh my gosh, I can't stop.
Downhill so bad.
Going downhill is so bad.
We just running, guys.
Let's try.
I know what you're talking about.
Rachel Paul.
All of a sudden, I feel like I need one of those sticks that everyone uses.
Walking stick.
We can go down. Guys, 6 feet apart.
6 feet apart. Walk in a straight.
A helicopter just came 6 feet. Oh, there it is, guys. We running again.
Less
For no reason.
Less traction.
Less traction. We finished the hike, guys. We're done. We made it.
Success.
70, wait, what was it? 70 minutes.
70 minutes downhill. How do you guys feel?
Great.
Great.
My legs are dead.
Great. So now we're gonna get some food.
Because my alarm was like, my ringer was all the way up and I fell asleep with it like right next to my ear. So it went off once and I was like,
You're like, whoa, 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 whoa. We're in Hugo. Stand apart. Andrew going first.
welcome to the club.
Guys, Gianna hit 1,000 followers.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look out for 1,000.
Jaden is also at 1,000. 50.
Okay, I saw
Good.
this TikTok.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty.